how to use filter in CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can use different filter in CapCut very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. For using filter in CapCut, so click on CapCut and here you can see a new project. So click on new project. So after this you can see your gallery and you can select any videos from your gallery. So after this, here you can see the options of filters. So when you will click on filters, so it will show different filters like features, pro, lives and scenery. So you can select any filters. So here wait some second. So you can see there are different filter, so you can use any filter according to you. So after selecting the filter, so you can see tick option, so click on it and you can see filter is added. So guys, in this way you can use filter in CapCut. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.